Well, you never guess where I am.
0 feet altitude. 10 feet distance. 9 miles per hour. 99% battery.
Fight the sun off. Get focus up on yonder out there. Start the mission. Yeah, I gotta go take another peek at the Amazon. Nothing else to do. I'm a little bit wary about my car because we've been having an electrical issue where the thing just goes completely dead. It happened to my son. It happened to me a couple nights ago. Happened to my son today. We got to get it to the dealer because I don't know what it is. So wherever I stop,
299 feet altitude. 378 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 94% battery.
Wherever I stop, I could be stranded, which almost happened last night. The night before, rather. Yeah, it's pretty tough to get flights in this around this time of year because of the sunset so damn early. At 4:30 it'll be set. At least in the summertime I could fly up to like 8:30, 9 o'clock, but not now. And it's cooled. So got to get my car to the dealer. I don't know what's causing it. I sat in it. I went to the store, gas station, got out, came back outside, sat in the car. I opened the door, the lights, all that stuff worked. I shut the door, and all of a sudden, everything went black inside the car. Turned the key, nothing was happening. Nothing at all would happen. Well, they got the far corner up already. The crane was in the middle of the front yesterday, a couple days ago. And then, I don't know, I opened up the hood to see what I could see, and I'm just watching where this thing is supposed to turn here. I opened up the hood. There we go. And my horn beeped and everything came back on. And the same thing happened to my son earlier today. But he put the key in, went to turn it, and the horn beeped again. So something to do with something to do like that. I wonder if anybody's working today. You can't tell from here if the gate's closed. Tomorrow I'll probably go and do the my low level, because on Sunday I know there's nobody there, and I fly low. Very low. So when I get back in the car, I'm really hoping that it starts. Well, I bought me the new Mavic Mini, and I'm telling you what, got my complete endorsement. Great little drone, nice and stable, quiet, very quiet. Not like the Spark. The Spark sounds like is just as loud as the Mavics. I didn't fuck up my fucking focus there. Looks alright. I didn't have a good experience when I first started it. But I did want something stupid that you really shouldn't do, because anytime you have a problem with your drone, if you're going to fly it inside, you're asking for trouble. But I figured I'll just let it lift off and see how stable it is. And what's it do? Apparently the compass wasn't calibrated, and it just flew straight into a fucking wall. Then I picked it up and started it again, and it flew the opposite direction, straight into the other wall. It didn't hurt it though, but the props are scratched up and brand new fucking drone. But I took it outside later on in the afternoon and took it up in my backyard, and was very impressed with the way it handled. Good speed too in sport mode. It says it's got up to a half-hour battery. I don't know about that, but I just tested it flying around, and it's got good 2K picture. I don't think I need to get a what do you call it, a progress picture today, because there isn't that much that was done. I've been noticing too, on when I sold the platinum one that I had, and I've noticed the same thing on this one now with the brand new camera in it. When I go to take stills, there's certain corners and chunks of the picture that are blurry, washed out, and it's something with these cameras. Because on this camera, when I get a screenshot, anything on the right lower corner is blurry. And the same thing happened with the old when I had the platinum model, but it was on the upper left-hand corner, things were blurry. So there's something up with these cameras. Let's see if the gate's shut. Yeah, it looks like they're closed. Nobody's there. Yep, no one's working. I'll probably take a 360 anyway. Yeah, so the Mavic Mini I'm very impressed with. I haven't really taken it in the wild blue yonder. I flew it around my house. And like what I was most impressed with was the stability and the quiet. Very quiet. Which is good, because you really don't want to draw attention to yourself when you're flying a drone around. People think you're spying on them or whatever. So hopefully I'll get back in my car and it'll start. I bet you that'll be done by next week. A week from today, that'll all be up. Then they'll start putting the roof on, pouring concrete. I don't know if they can pour concrete in the cold. I'm not going to pretend I know anything about construction. I don't. Well, I know a little, but I'm no expert. Far from it. The sun is just about ready to set. What time is it? 10 after 4. My hands are freezing. Well, no wonder it's 29 degrees. I've never had any trouble with the Mavics in cold weather. Ever. The battery keeps everything kind of warm. Just stop the mission, load another one. Send it. It's gonna get in position to do my stills, and then I send it another mission to come home. All automated. Okay, now I'll send it home. Find the fucking mission. E.T. go home to church. Okay. And comes back. Gotta fly through Hawk Attack Alley. Right here. Looks like I got a headwind. 40% battery. See if we pick up speed here. I think we should. If not, I take over. Yeah, I got a headwind. I ain't gonna risk it. I am taking over. I'm trying to stay by the highways. So if I go down, I'm near a road. It's a little windy. I hear voices, but I don't know where they are. Bring it in by hand. Got him back just in time. Critically low battery, 12%. I'd like to push it to the limit. What do we got here? Yeah, the wind. Oh, that wasn't my really good battery. I would have got 4 more minutes out of that. Anyways, decent flight. It's a little windier than it appears up high. And made it back alive. Dito out.